the difference between truth and that which is not truth. See, that which is not truth, not the truth of something, that it itself, in essence, isn't truth, isn't the being of truth. Because all things get their being from truth, which truth in its ineffable state of being is beyond being and beyond word. Because when we then come into the physical aspect, that which directly correlates to that which can be expressed as God is truth. In all the things outside truth, one can interpret ways. One can skew things for it to mean other than what is out there, what has been spoken to. Thus we have words with multiple meanings. We can say it takes on this meaning in this context and this one here, and that this is the depth of this and this is the value of it, and it can change and it becomes subjective. Whereas truth is beyond that. The truth isn't what we make it. Right? We make our way by way of truth. Every other thing is subject to our understanding, our understanding of it, our usage of it, our honesty with it, and our ability to perceive the truth of it, to speak to the truth of it, and to live within the truth of it, to act within the truth of it. We must go back to the source. All things that we deal with, we must go back to the source to speak to it, because it is from the source from which it comes. And that's why truth is beyond this, because truth comes from no source. Truth is the source, and of course it is beyond source. It is from truth at which the concept of source comes. It is from that ineffable, that ultimate being, that all things come forth. And because it comes of it, it is by way of the nature of God, of that which brings forth that first cause that speaks to it, to speak to everything, that this weighs and measures and justifies, discerns. By way of itself. And this is where the weakness is shown. This is where the lesser than is shown. And this is where the greater than is shown. All things come up short. All things come up lesser than that which is God, because it has to. It has to. By way of nature of being, it has to. The way the order of things, it has to. And that there is order, because once we come from being in that which is beyond the state of being, that which is God within itself, then such things must be spoken to. They are spoken to.